Hello guys, today we'll look how to install Sublime on Ubuntu 20.04 in easiest way you didn't ever seen. So for this you just have to go to Ubuntu software by going into this icon, and here you will look all the applications listed. So you just have to click on Ubuntu software and you will go here. So here you have to write the name of software like Sublime, and it will list out in front of you like this. So you just have to click on it and have to click on this install button, and it will start installing Sublime Text on your Ubuntu 20.04. so just click on it, install, and it will require password. So type here your password. Now it is installing on your system Sublime Text. So here it's very quick process. Its package size is almost 60 MB and it's just a quick process. And here you can see I just downloaded it on my system, and it's also installed on my system, not just downloaded. So you can remove it on by clicking here remove button, or you can just find it here in your applications and you can search for it Sublime. Here you can click on Sublime and it will just start it. It will take a couple of seconds, you just have to wait. So here Sublime is ready for us. I already imported some projects here in Sublime. So if you want to import your projects directly from here, you can go to file and you can create new file or open folder of your desired project like this, and then you will choose your project folder. And another one is like you can go to directly your project like this, and you can just drag and drop your project directly here, and that's it. Here you can see your all folders and directories of your project that you just dropped here. And if you want to install any kind of extension or plugin in your Sublime text editor, you can go to these preferences and then click on package control and then click on install package. Here you can find all of the packages that you want to install. You can just search here, and this is the JavaScript snippets package and all other kind of listed here. So you just have to click on that extension or plugin and it will be just downloaded. So that's it for today video. Let's meet in the next video. If you have any kind of suggestions, please comment down, and take care for next video.